Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is day 7 of Dealmas. Yay! Today I want to share with you all deals on discounted designer items. The first deal I want to share is with Coach Outlet. If you go to coachoutlet.com, in stores right now, they have 70% off of everything, but there are some exclusions that do apply. You do not have to be in store to take advantage of this. If you actually create an account with them and log in, you will be able to shop that way as well. Because as you can see, it says full access is for members only. So you need to sign up for an invite. So if you click that, and you put in your email address and click submit, you will have access to the items. Then on top of getting everything at 70% off, you will also get $10 off of 100 when you sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up so that I can show you all the website. So in order to sign up, you will need to provide your email address, first and last name, and create a password to create the account. And you can also select if you would like to receive emails, or you can unselect to send emails and go ahead and submit your information. Then it will bring you back to the front page of the website, and you can see that this event ends in 2 days and 3 hours at the time of me making this video. You will be getting anything that you order shipped to you for free. And right here you can see at the bottom left that it says enjoy $10 off, sign up for text. So this is how you'll be able to get the $10 off if you go ahead and sign up for the text messaging, and they will be sending you recurring automated marketing messages once you go ahead and provide them with your mobile number. Scroll down, you can see the Coach and Wizard of Oz collaboration is on here. They have a section where bags are under $100. You can see the best of clearance, Let It Snow steals, and you can see things for males that are under $100. What I want to go ahead and do is go to bags, because that's probably what you're most interested in when you think of Coach. So they have 425 items to choose from, and you can narrow it down by color, material, category, and you can also sort the items. As you can see, this bag here is marked down to $88.50. It looks like the majority of them so far marked down to that price. You have a $67.50 bag, $75 bags. This one is $56.40, $55.50. Several designs available in various colors. Some are sold out. It looks like this is a popular bag. It's sold out. This one is almost gone. So if you click on a bag that you like or any item that is available, you can see different views of the bags, see product details, and if you want to go ahead and add the bag to your cart, okay, then it pulls up your bag. It says your subtotal is $88.50. They're reserving your bag for 15 minutes, so you have a little time to shop for other items if you so choose, without having to worry about somebody purchasing the bag off from under you. If you have a promo code like the $10 off of 100, you can go ahead and put it here. The shipping is going to be free according to the website, as we saw at the beginning, and they will tell you what your tax is, and then you'll be able to see your total. Again, of course, you can proceed to checkout or check out with PayPal, and of course they do accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and other various forms of payment. But let's not stop at Coach. What about Michael Kors? Now, Michael Kors Outlet had the same sale going on as Coach Outlet, but it ran from November 28th to the 6th of December. But they do have the holiday event that's going on michaelkors.com, where you can enjoy 25% off full price items, plus up to 60% off of sale items. And also, if you have Ebates, you can get 6% cash back on your purchase. Or if you use Honey, you can get 1,000 gold from shopping on michaelkors.com. So since they say you can get up to 60% off of sale, let's go to sale items. That's a good deal for a Michael Kors bag. And of course, you can filter their bags as well, or their items as well. Color, price, size, collections. I like their backpacks. But I'll be honest with you, with these prices, this would probably be the only time that I would consider purchasing one, because it's normally $328 and now it's on sale for $172. I generally don't care for the items that have the letters on them, so I probably wouldn't purchase this one, but just for the sake of showing it to you all, pick the color if there's different color choices. This one is not showing that it has another color choice in this style. You can only get it in a dark bronze. Pick your quantity. It's already marked down for the holiday event price to the $172.20. With Kors VIP, you could earn 1,722 points with this purchase. With them, you can decide to pick it up in the store. If you have a store that you want to go to and pick it up, they also have a gift now option. And if you don't know what gift now is, like I don't, you can click on what is gift now. And it says it's the new and easy way to gift. They get to choose their size and color, or instantly exchange for their perfect gift before it even ships, you all. So this is a nice feature. If it's last minute, they say you can send instantly or print and hand deliver. They give you options on how you would like to deliver your surprise: email, text, messenger and link, or print and hand deliver. You can pick how you want it to look. You can do this style, or you can do this happy birthday style for this one, and put in any information that needs to be put in here, then enter in your payment info. So they'll receive your gift however you chose to send it out. They open your gift and adjust or exchange before it even ships, and then your gift is shipped out to whatever address you provided. So that's definitely a perk. You can add it to a wish list, just like with Coach. See the description, specs, and everything on the bag. They have a nice size pictures for you to be able to look at. And then, of course, they try to upsell you and cross-sell. Now, you can add it to the bag once you've decided, and you will be able to see what you have placed in the bag at the price that it is for, and you can go ahead and continue to check out. So I hope you guys have found this video informative. It's a great way to complete your bougie on a budget looks with authentic items. So definitely take advantage of this sale while it lasts. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been watching Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next Dilma's video.